39 is oral reading. Dear friend, when it is necessary for you to travel 150 miles or more to a city in which a meeting is to be held, you should not drive because that is the hard way, period. A better way, be fair, is to charter an airplane from the Jordan Flying Corporation and save hours of boring drive. Paragraph. We will provide the services of a highly skilled and efficient crew that will get you to your meeting in style and take you home after the meeting, period. I know you will be pleased with our efficiency. Paragraph. If you could arrange it, share the rental of a chartered plane with your colleagues, you would be able to have the pleasure and speed that a chartered plane provides at a small cost. Paragraph. We here the first to offer charter service in Westfield, period. If you would like to have all the facts, mailed the attached card, period. We will be happy to send them to you, period. Better still stop in and get the facts at our field store office, period. I am there from 9 to 5 daily, period. Sincerely yours.